Yeah, but you trying to tie it up.
Tie my wallet up. Tie my wallet up right now.
This yours? You
tie my wallet up.
You shouldn't have broken nobody's stuff, yo.
I got punched in the face. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
It's on, man. Tie his arms up, yo.
Yeah.
Have you guys called the police?
Yeah. We already called the police.
They're on the way?
Yeah.
Can you guys go check on this squirrel? I'll be right here.
Get his arm, yo. Get his arm over there. Thank you,
First touch, man, it's cool.
It ain't cool.
Yes, sir.
We got to hold you 2 years. You ain't breaking my shit, yo.
I wasn't breaking it too. You got my J's. You got my J's in my wallet. I wasn't in there. I was just checking it out. Tape it off right there.
I ain't got it. You take out the shit, dude? Why you breaking this up, man? Come on, baby.
Don't you see, man?
Now we see you breaking my fucking truck, yo. That's crazy,
Play
man.
like that. The world is serious about this. I've been looking at level 3. Look at this man.
Well, I gotta do what I gotta do to hold you to the police station. You had no business in my fucking truck, yo.
I'm not scared.
Well, you let me beat you down.
Beat me down.
I'm
You
not
already
gonna
beat me down.
We're not gonna beat you down. Everybody out here see what you were doing.
I wasn't breaking into nothing. I am hot. I just got.
You was in our truck, yo. You're breaking now. You're breaking. You can't hold it, though. You can't eat no fuck, yo.